And on day 14 of the LEGO Star Wars Advent Calendar for 2024, we have Vizsla's Mandalorian fighter, also known as the Gauntlet. This is from set number 9525 in 2012. It was a 403-piece set with 3 minifigures. Following the Mandalorian Civil War, the surviving members of the warrior caste were exiled to the moon Concordia, where they formed a splinter group known as Death Watch. This was led by Vizsla, a member of Clan Vizsla. Engineers and technicians loyal to the group designed this Comric-class freighter-cum-transport for them. One of the fighters was christened the Gauntlet and was utilised by Vizsla as his personal ship. During the Clone Wars, Vizsla used the fighter to bring the Dathomirian brothers Maul and Savage Opress to Death Watch's camp on Zambar after finding them unconscious in an escape pod. After forming an alliance with them, called the Shadow Collective, the trio used the ship during their recruitment of the Black Sun and Hutt clan crime syndicates. They later travelled to Sandari, the capital of Mandalore, prior to its takeover, before Vizsla left the city aboard the ship. The Gauntlet was equipped with a Class 1 hyperdrive, 4 engine and 4 laser cannons, 2 mounted on its nose and 2 facing aft. It measured over 52 metres in length and could be crewed by 2 pilots. Like the other ships in its class, the Gauntlet could reach a top speed of 1,000 km per hour in atmosphere. The wings were on a collared mount which could rotate independently from the hull, offering the ship remarkable manoeuvrability for a fighter of its size. Within the hull was a drop seat bay where 24 armoured Death Watch troopers could egress via jetpack as the Gauntlet provided air support.